First, know the hazards. Familiarize yourself when earthquake hazard is in your area. Second, know where the evacuation area. Check the nearest route going to the identified evacuation area. Third, prepare an emergency supply kit. Make it accessible at all times. Now, when earthquake comes, you must do duck, cover, and hold, and find a place where you can protect yourself from the hazard. Now, when the earthquake stops, you must evacuate as soon as the earthquake stops. Take the fastest and the safest way out, and also expect aftershocks. Be also updated. Monitor the situation from the radio.